Corus Rail offers one of the widest and most comprehensive rail product ranges in the world, further enhanced by the investment of £130 million to create a new rail facility in the UK. Corus is committed to supplying first-class rail and track products, suitable for the full range of railway environments, including high-speed, heavy haulage, mixed traffic systems, urban environments and industrial applications. And we have customers in more than 85 countries around the world. This commitment extends to the rolling and finishing of rail and to the well-proven process for delivering products to the exacting requirements of all our customers. Our global reach is matched by our proven ability to set international standards in manufacturing processes, product performance and customer service. All the rail we roll in the UK comes from Scunthorpe, utilising a 7-stand close-coupled finishing train. This creates very consistent dimensions close to the centre of the specification. The mill is capable of rolling rail up to 120 metres in length, and with further processing at our rail service centre, we can produce rails up to 216 metres in length, using a state-of-the-art rail welding facility. In recent years, we have also invested £20 million to develop steel-making facilities on our Scunthorpe site for rail manufacture. This produces steel to exacting standards, which is supplied to the mill as high-quality continuously cast blooms ready for rolling. The blooms are reheated to rolling temperature and then undergo high-pressure descaling before initial size reduction in 2 reversing stands. Secondary high-pressure descalers ensure that the surface is maintained in a clean condition throughout the rolling process. This produces an excellent surface finish on all rails. The substantial capacity, flexibility and process consistency offered by our rolling mills enables us to achieve the full range of international specifications. In order to retain traceability, the rail is stamped with a unique identifying mark, showing the cast, strand and rail identification number every 5 metres, ensuring every length is fully traceable. A hot dimension inspection system scans every rail along its full length and records all of the rail dimensional information. This allows a team to align the key dimensions to the nominal profile and ensures that all rail is rolled to the specified requirements. A hot vision inspection system records all rail surfaces as the rail exits the mill. This record is reviewed by trained inspectors to ensure that surface integrity is maintained throughout the rolling. The rail is then cut to the required length using high-precision laser measurement equipment, which positions the rail before clamping and cutting. A friction saw blade cuts the rail in less than 10 seconds, leaving a clean rail end profile. Throughout this process, test samples are taken and transferred to the quality control facility for both dimensional and metallurgical testing as required. The rail is then moved to the cooling banks, where it is pre-cambered using computer-controlled pre-cambering systems. This compensates for the natural curvature that occurs as the rail cools and ensures the optimum rail characteristics prior to rail straightening. Straightening is undertaken in a highly instrumented dual-plane straightener. Loads and deflections are recorded on all rails, while single-piece high-chrome rollers, coupled directly onto the spindle via a tapered hydraulic locking sleeve, ensure that the process produces a straight, flat, low-stressed product. After roller straightening, each rail automatically receives a unique barcode containing tracking and material specification information. A synchronized magnetic hoist system can then either load the rails onto a wagon, or they are stocked into specially designed holding areas. Rails are then transferred to the rail service centre, using an internal fleet of purpose-built wagons for final processing to customer specification. The Rail Service Centre uses sophisticated technology in a unique approach to ensure the high quality of every rail before it is dispatched, in lengths ranging from 9 metres to 216 metres. Major investment in world-class non-destructive testing and inspection equipment means that 100% of rails are thoroughly inspected, ensuring the highest quality of rails, meeting the highest international standards. In addition, the investment makes it possible to receive rails in sizes of up to 120 metres, and high-quality welding capabilities allow us to dispatch rails up to 216 metres in length. The world-class non-destructive testing line guarantees the integrity of every rail by checking all rail dimensions every 20 centimetres along the rail length using a bank of lasers. Checking the surface integrity of the whole rail using a vision system that compares images of the surface when illuminated in different frequency lights. Checks the rail flatness horizontally and vertically to ensure excellent compliance with specification. Further surface quality checks using static and rotating eddy current probes on the head and the foot of the rail identify any surface breaking imperfections. Ultrasonic testing to ensure the internal integrity of the rail with excellent coverage of head, web and rail foot, provided by an array of 16 probes. The rail is then cut to length, with the required accuracy to meet the most demanding customer requirements. On completion of dimensional and metallurgical inspection and NDT testing, the rails can be precision welded together to form lengths of up to 216 metres, with surface flatness and dimensional tolerances maintained throughout the welding process. Long rails can be delivered direct to the worksite, using either the customer's own or Corus's specially developed long welded rail delivery system, including discharge to the site if required. Short rails are also delivered using specialised delivery equipment, which can also include discharge at site. The Rail Service Centre is located close to a number of major East Coast ports, facilitating easy shipment for overseas markets. All these facilities at the Scunthorpe site are complemented by Corus's rail mill in Hayange, northeast France. We have a dedicated multifunctional team who can offer solutions for the manufacture, packaging, transporting, handling and storage of rails, together with technical assistance for the optimization of in-service performance of rail and track systems. Significant investment has been made in developing new products with the focus on improving our customers' performance. Rail metallurgy is a core strength that has helped the business to develop a range of exciting high-performance rails with a step change in wear and contact fatigue resistance. This significant investment has enhanced Corus Rail, resulting in a world-class facility that utilises the latest available technology to produce rail of the highest quality to meet the requirements of the most demanding specifications. This is supported by a team of high-calibre, passionate people committed to delivering the highest level of customer service, enabling us to deliver a package to the customer that is much more than rail.